As a woman,
Yes, sir.
where are you from? Let me ask you.
I'm from Bauchi State.
Bauchi State.
Yes, sir.
What were you doing in Plateau State? What were you doing in Plateau State?
I am a fashion designer. I am a fashion designer.
A fashion designer.
Yes, sir.
You have sold ammunition to various people.
No, sir.
You have not sold.
Yes, sir.
So why were you arrested?
I'm arrested because I gave Baku Isa ammunition to sell.
You gave
Baku.
him ammunition to sell for
Yes,
you.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Now that you have been arrested,
Yes, sir.
what message do you have to tell other women like you? I don't want us to interrogate you so much.
Okay.
As a woman, as a mother. You have children?
Yes, sir.
How many children do you have?
One daughter.
One daughter.
Yes, sir.
Another girl.
Yes.
So what message do you have for women like you?
I regret this thing, honestly.
You regret the action?
Yes, sir.
Please go back, step back. Why are you in possession of that gun?
I get this gun in the apartment that I rent in Kongorusha, inside Kushin. So when I see it, I'm scared to show to the police. Then I tell a friend that see what I get inside so place. So it's my friend that went and tell the police. That's why I submit it.
Okay, you rented the apartment from somebody.
Yes, sir.
Did you tell the agent or the owner or the landlord that you found something in the house?
The owner of the house is late, which is the room that they give me.
You saw it in the cushion of the chair?
Yes, they let.
Not in the house. So you are the owner of the chair?
No.
How did you get the chair?
The room is 2 rooms. So I'm renting the inner one, the bedroom. So all the things that is in parlor and the bedroom, they gather it in the parlor. So when I'm trying to dust the house, so I call one of my friends to assist me. So when we shift the cushion, then I see it inside black leather, then tied it. So when I remove it, me and that my friend, so we see it. So I asked him, what is the best solution? He said that, Kai, if I carry this thing to the station, it will be a problem to me. So he will try his best to see how they will collect it. So that is why.
But you knew then that property belonged to somebody.
The late Mesher, they are calling him Mesher. The cushion belongs to Mesher.
Michel?
Yes.
Who is Michel?
Let Mesher, the owner of the house.
Did you tell him?
No, he's late, sir.
He's late?
Yes, sir. No, his cousins. Because there is 2 rooms. What they tell me that if person die is after two years before they will share his property.
Okay.
So you don't have any senior son. It's only his wife with 1 small girl, and the wife she have already married. So that's why they give me the house. So I'm trying to shift the cushion from parlor to the others so that I will dust it.
Are you a graduate? Did you go to school?
Yes, sir.
Which school did you attend?
I attend Chonyap Secondary School.
No university, no poly, no college.
I'm trying to find that admission.
You're trying to find. How many friends do you have?
Sir?
How many friends do you have? Do you have friends in that area?
No, it's only one person. Then my shop, and then my shop.
Your shop, what do you do for a living? Which job do you do?
I'm furniture.
You make furniture too?
Yes, sir.
And you found the gun in the furniture? Cushion on the furniture?
No, sir.
Yeah?
I found it.
Okay, then for how long have you been living in that place?
It's just getting 1 year.
Where are your parents?
My parents, they are living in Nasarawa Gong.
Nasarawa?
Nasarawa Gong.
Nasarawa Gom.
Yes.
What's the distance between Nasarawa Gom and to Jos? Where you are?
No,
where you are?
It's just close. It's the same plateau, but
The same plateau?
Yes.
But not the same capital, not the same Jos?
The same Jos, not local government, sir.
Okay. Are you married?
Yes, sir.
How many children?
2.
2.
Yes, sir.
Were they around when you discovered this gun? Did they see you with it?
Nobody see. It's only 2 of us, me and that my friend that tell police.
So when you saw it, where did you keep it?
The same place I keep it.
Under the cushion.
Yes, where I see it is where I keep
You
it.
didn't touch it.
I didn't touch it. It's when the police come and take it.
Okay. Anyway, whatever the situation is, 123 suspected cultists, and we recorded recovery of 172 various firearms, 3,134 ammunition of various calibers. The force was also able to recover 115 stolen vehicles and rescue 387 victims of kidnapping. On display in today's briefing are several exhibits connected to these crimes, including 12 rounds of 7.88 mm live ammunition, 2 AK-47 rifles, 8 fabricated AK-47 rifles, 4 fabricated revolver guns, 5 fabricated semi-automatic pistols, and 11 AK-47 magazines, 1,121 live AK-47 ammunition, and of course, in even today's cases, we have the following cases to mention to you. Arrest of gun-running syndicate, stroke illegal possession of prohibited firearms. We have Joseph Thara, Victor Alipam, Habwa Yusuf, Bako Isa, Salamatu Ilya, Solomon Barale, male, Musa Arin, British Chong. Recovered from them are 1 locally made pistol, 2 rounds of 7.8 mm live ammunition, 8 fabricated AK-47 rifles, 4 fabricated revolver guns, 3 fabricated semi-automatic pistols, 2 AK-47 magazines, and 1,105 live AK-47 ammunition. All this one recovered from these men. Acting on credible intelligence received regarding the activities of a gun-running syndicate in Plateau State, operatives of the IRTL arrested 1 Joseph Tata, male, 33 years, AK Mwazu of Zomo village in Mekan local government area, Plateau State. Just take note of the AK Mwazu. Mwazu of Zomo village. Following his arrest, Joseph Tata's confession led to the successful apprehension of 4 additional suspects. Victor Ali, male, 33 years, Abua Yusuf, male, Bako Isa, male, and Salamatu Ilya, female, 34 years, all residing at various addresses in Jos, Plateau State. During the operation, a locally fabricated pistol, along with 2 rounds of 7.88 mm live ammunition, were recovered from the suspect. Salamatu Ilya confessed to having sold 900 rounds of AK-47 live ammunition to Bako Isa, who in turn sold 700 rounds of AK-47 ammunition to Victor Pam. Building on the momentum of this operation, on 28 January 2025, IRT operatives successfully apprehended 2 more members of the syndicate, Musa Arin, male, of Panbegwa, Kaduna State, and British Chong, male, of Vom, in Plateau State. The operatives recovered the following items concealed in the door mat of a red Volkswagen station wagon, 8 fabricated AK-47 rifles, 4 fabricated revolver rifles of guns, 3 fabricated semi-automatic pistols, and 2 fabricated AK-47 magazines. These weapons were concealed in the door mat of a car. And ordinarily, if you are not informed, you would not know that this Volkswagen station wagon concealed this kind of weapons that these men are using to terrorize us in our various communities. The suspect confessed to having taken delivery of the recovered firearms from a notorious firearms fabricator known as Gian, who is currently at large. And we are closing in on Gian to get him and many others who are fabricating guns and supplying to wrong hands in this country. I'm believed to be based in Vom, Plateau State. The suspect further admitted that they were en route to deliver these weapons to criminal elements operating within Plateau, Kaduna, and surrounding areas when they were intercepted. So our people in Plateau State, our people in Kaduna State and parts of Nasarawa, generally in the North Central Zone, these are some of the elements who are terrorizing us and causing pains, sorrows, and agonies to us in our various communities in these states. We have all of them here. That is 8 of them altogether, including a woman. Where is the woman? Madam? Our women at home, that you must be careful of what you do. Whether you are relating with your husband's families or your own family or whoever that you are relating with, you must be very, very careful. We are still coming back to this case by the time we pick some key members of this syndicate. I don't want to reveal that for now, but we're going to get some key members of this syndicate that are still bringing them up here for press briefing. But it's quite unfortunate that a woman is involved in this kind of a dirty deal. We want to appeal to our mothers, appeal to our sisters, appeal to our brothers out there that we should remind ourselves that being in possession of firearms or ammunition is a criminal offense. If you are not a military man, you are not a police officer, you are not a security agent who have been empowered to be in possession of these weapons, it is wrong. Unlawful possession of arms and ammunition is a criminal offense and is punishable under the law. And for those who are fabricating, producing this, we want you to know that fabricating weapons, sophisticated weapons of this nature is an offense, is criminal under the law. Perhaps we may encourage you, if you have that talent, maybe you are going to meet the government, instead of you using your talent in a wrong direction. Maybe you come forward, we see how we can work together to incorporate you into our system. Because what you do now causes more harm to our security architecture than good. So we want you to discourage others, and we want to discourage you as well to please drop this idea, use your talent in a very positive way to support this country and to boost our internal security. I think we are done with them. We are closing in on Gian, who is a major fabricator. Don't forget, we have arrested many fabricators who are producing these rifles. But we are going to get him, and I think they are cooperating with us to actually get him and others who are producing this. Siphon. That's why I don't want us to interrogate them the more. We know the source for now, but it's not right for us to disclose the source because we are still working on them. But you can see the arsenal of equipment we have recovered from them. I know Arsenal fans will be happy now because I mentioned Arsenal. And because you won your match yesterday. But now I'm talking of arsenal of weapons, assemblages of weapons, destructive weapons. That's what I refer to here now, not your football team. You can see what we have recovered from them, and we are working to recover more. It's been part of the mandate given to our operatives across the country by the Inspector General of Police, LGP Olukayode Adeolu Egbetokun, to mop up these arms, illicit arms from wrong hands. And we do this almost on a weekly basis. And we continue to maintain the tempo, to even add more pep, to see that we sustain the fight against proliferation of arms, production, sales, distribution, and misuse of these arms. And we want to commend the operatives of IRT for making us proud in this regard. You agree with me that we've been coming here consistently to showcase some of these achievements. And I hope they will continue the fight against crimes and criminality in our various communities. They can go to the next case I have. And load another one automatically. You fire, it loads. You fire, it loads. You fire, it loads. That's how it works. And I think this one can take 6 cartridges. Locally fabricated. You can see them. This is AK2. Forget the design. The AK uses AK for 7 magazines, and the fires, you can see everything is working well. They are very, very hot. That's why I can't hold them for long. See, locally made, locally fabricated. That's why I said we need to test them to hear the sound, so that you know they sound like imported Alexander Kalachi products, AK-47. You can see these are all recovered. The revolver rifle. You know how a revolver works? And load another one automatically. You fire, it loads. You fire, it loads. You fire, it loads. That's how it works. And I think this one can take 6 cartridges.